Hello and welcome to a new XLSJuice tutorial. We are going to create a web calculator based on a spreadsheet including a dynamic chart. Here we have our example spreadsheet. You can see here some input data. And here we have configured a bar chart showing each data series from the data set above. Please note at the row number 6 we have merged some cells. This is the place where we want to show the chart. We'll see it later at the layout configuration. Let's go to our XLSJuice dashboard in order to create this working page. We only need to type the name of the calculator and upload our spreadsheet here. You'll see the form is automatically generated using 12 columns, and it already includes same styles and colors we had at the file. As our form is smaller, we'll change the view to 6 columns using the Rebuild Layout button. And finally we place the chart inside this area we have reserved before. Expand the options at the left panel, drag the chart widget and drop it inside the desired location. You may have several charts at your spreadsheet. You need to choose which one you will publish here, selecting its name at the right option panel. In order to make the chart dynamic, we'll configure some inputs so we can change the values at the final page. We click on the cell, and we configure it as input type number, and we'll give it also a default value. We are going to configure 2 more cells in the same way. The chart is using all these inputs, so it will get some fixed values and also the user inputs from the last line to build the chart. We save and the calculator is ready. You can try the direct URL to see your working web page. Remember, you can also insert it as a widget inside your own site. At the page we can see the data table with the fixed numbers and also the default values we have chosen for the inputs. If we click Calculate, the chart will show just below. We can see data for the last year is recovered from the inputs, so if we change any of them, a new chart will be generated at the page, same result you have at your spreadsheet file. Please check more videos and our tutorial sections in order to learn about many other functions of the system at xlsjuice.com.